Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I would like to show you how to use or how to take a screenshot on Microsoft Word. It's pretty much easy and simple step. So let's begin our video. And before starting our video, I would like to request you that if you are new here, please like and subscribe my channel. So if you want to use screenshot, so for how should you do? Just simply open your Microsoft Word, then go insert option, click it. Then guys, there you can see screenshot, take screenshot option, just click it. Then skin clipping, then you can take a screenshot like that. I take this screenshot, then it's already added on your Microsoft Word page. So guys, in this way you can take a screenshot on MS Word very easily. So hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone for watching this video.